back to my YouTube channel. Tonight we are doing a nighttime skincare routine. This is what I do basically every single night, and let's get started. Okay, so when I filmed Blended, Drew Barrymore introduced me to Bioderma, and I have been loving it and using it ever since. It's a micellar water. I just put a little bit on a cotton pad, and I just fill the cotton pad with it, like so. Just wipe away all your makeup. It takes it right off. It's gentle, it's soothing, and it works. I actually use it to take off my mascara too. I just flip it over to the other side, the less dirty side. Look all that it takes off. So much makeup, and you can get it at like Amazon. I find it at most of my local beauty stores, so really easy to find and affordable too. Now we wash. Maybe a year ago, I started having some troubles with my skin, and this guy really just helped me take care of it and just knock it right out. This is Rodan & Field's Unblemished is their teen acne skincare line, and this is their gentle acne wash. This actually smells a little bit like sulfur just because it has sulfur in it, and I think that's one of the reasons it's so great for acne. So I just wipe my face. And then I do like a nickel, is that a nickel sized amount? I don't know. I rub it in. It's purple too, so that's kind of fun. I take my rubbing in very seriously. And then I just wash it off. So I got everything else off that my Bioderma did not get off. The next thing I do is I tone. A little bit about these cotton pads, by the way, is they're almost like gauze, and they really just help you save your product instead of, you know how cotton pads kind of absorb everything and you run out of your product so fast? These don't do that. They're also Rodan & Field's. So I just use the toner. It's clarifying toner. I do it after I wash. Could not tell you what toner does. That's okay. It's just the second step. This is the Elta MD PM therapy. So one pump. Warm it up with your hands and gently rub in. Always get the neck. So I'm super honest with you guys, and if you can't see, I have a pimple on my forehead, and my go-to pimple cream is the Somerville. It's just like Mario Badescu, but it also has sulfur in it. And it's a running trend in this video. Sulfur really knocks that acne out. And I just dot it on after I moisturize, and I sleep in it. And usually when I wake up in the morning, it's either pretty much gone or flat and gone, which is very important. I am all pink and all fresh and clean, and I'm ready for bed. This was my nighttime skincare routine. Super simple, just a few easy steps, and I swear by it. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the products will be linked in the description, and smash that red subscribe button!